Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Shopee account, and it's very simple and quick. Just watch the video till the end. So let's open Shopee first. Then in the home page, click this button. Then click the sign up button. In this section, you have options here to create an account. You can create account by using your mobile number, Gmail, or Facebook. Choose whatever suits you. And for here, I'll just choose Gmail. Then, just choose an account. Here, it's up to you if you enable it now. And in my case, I'll just set up that later. And the first step is done. Let's go to the final step. We need to add our address because you can't order products if you don't have address. To do that, click the settings button. Then, click my address. Then, click the plus sign icon and just click allow. All you need to do in this section is fill necessary informations. And if you're done, just click the submit button. This online shopping platform has two ways of paying your order: cash on delivery, or you can pay using digital bank or cards. If you want to set up your bank accounts and cards, just click this, and you can choose from the available services below. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.